The truth is enough. It is the only weapon by which you can slay the monster called Nigeria. The truth, nothing else. In my public advocacy, in my fight and my wars against this evil empire that we all live in, I have never lied against anyone. If I don't know, I'll say I don't know. If I am wrong, I'll tell you that I am wrong. I'm not afraid to admit to my errors when I am wrong. The only thing I can tell you is that in this situation, I have been faithful to the word of God. I have not lied against anybody. I am under very strict orders from the court not to speak about the case. And I didn't need that order before knowing that I mustn't speak about the case that is before the courts. So I have no intention of speaking to that case. The only thing I will say, as I have already said, is that I have not lied against anybody.
And you're proving your rights.
The truth will vindicate me. Thank you very much. I will communicate. Thank you. I love you all too. I will communicate through Tanko, but before the end of the year, we'll pick out a date. We'll all meet. In better circumstances, have some drinks, have some meals. Before the end of the
Solidarity.